ColorFill is the original waterproof countertop joint sealant with a range of 15 colors to match popular laminate decors. Miter the countertop ready for installation. Using the new easy-to-use applicator, apply ColorFill around one side of the countertop joint. Quickly bring the joint together and tighten the easy bolts. Remove the excess ColorFill with the scraper side of the new applicator or a normal spatula. Draw towards the front edge from the back of the countertop, applying pressure down and into the joint, so ensuring there are no air holes along the top of the joint. Use a finger for the front edge. After 5 minutes, use ColorFill solvent to clean off the remaining ColorFill, wiping across the joints at 90 degrees. Using ColorFill will result in a hygienic and waterproof joint that is almost invisible. ColorFill is the only waterproof joint sealant on the market. It's the popular and trusted brand by all kitchen and floor fitters and has been for over 30 years. ColorFill has 15 colors, so you can obtain a great match to your countertop or floor decor. ColorFill has many benefits over using other silicone, PVA, and sealants. Laminate countertops are made up of a chipboard core, decor paper compressed with resin, and finally topped with the clear melamine resin. If the joint is filled with the softer sealant, it leaves a wider joint line and remains flexible and tacky even when cured, attracting dirt and germs. Regular cleaning will cause the flexible compound to peel and wear away, exposing the core chipboard to water ingress. This can potentially result in expensive blown joints and a new countertop installation. This does not happen with solvented ColorFill resin, which produces a much tighter joint line. ColorFill dries hard, providing a solid, seamless waterproof joint. As a hard setting compound, it can also be used to repair surface scratches and chips. ColorFill has a shelf life of 4 years or more, unlike other sealants, which only last 12 months. ColorFill has 15 colors, so you can obtain a great match to your countertop or floor decor.